Want to set up a TikTok shop but don't want the hassle of dealing with inventory or risking your own cash on an upfront investment? This video is for you. I'm going to talk you through how to set up a TikTok shop, connect it to Gelato's print-on-demand platform, set up shipping, and start selling. Now this video is for people selling in the UK. If you're selling in the US, click the link below. Let's get started. Hey there, it's Megan from Gelato. Let's walk through how you can launch your print-on-demand business on TikTok using Gelato. Step 1. Create your Gelato and TikTok shop accounts. To get started, head over to gelato.com and sign up for a free account if you don't have one already. Complete the setup and navigate to your Gelato dashboard. Now for the TikTok shop, this is different from a regular TikTok account. You'll need to sign up for a TikTok shop seller account to start selling products. To sign up for TikTok shop, visit the TikTok Seller Center and select the UK Marketplace. You can sign up using your TikTok account, email, or phone number. Once you've signed up, TikTok may ask for identification verification details like a passport or driver's license, as well as tax information. Fill out the necessary fields and complete your account setup. Once completed, it will take TikTok 2 to 3 business days to verify your account. Once verified, head back into your account to complete the remaining steps. Step 2, set up your warehouse and shipping settings in TikTok Shop. All right, now that you've set up your TikTok Shop account, it's time to configure your shipping. Let's go through the steps together. First things first, click the store button in the top right corner, go to My Account, Account Settings, and then Warehouse Settings. You'll need to add both a pickup warehouse address and a return warehouse address. We recommend using the address in the description below for your pickup address. Once you've entered the address, just click Save and you're all set. Now, let's configure your shipping method. Go to Orders and then navigate to Shipping Settings. Here, make sure to disable the Shipped by Platform option and instead enable Shipped from Seller. Why does this matter? Well, enabling Shipped from Seller ensures that Gelato receives the correct shipping details, so we can fulfill your orders. If you leave the platform option enabled, Gelato won't be able to process your orders. Once you've enabled Shipped from Seller, it's time to create your shipping template. In the shipping settings, click on Manage Shipping Fee Template, then select Add New Template. For TikTok shops in the UK, TikTok requires weight-based shipping templates. Now let's walk through how to set up weight-based shipping rates for your TikTok shop in the UK. It's important to note that with weight-based shipping, you won't be able to set up additional item shipping costs. This means if a customer orders more than one item, like 2 t-shirts, they'll be charged the flat rate for each item. While this can help you earn additional profit on multiple item orders, you'll need to assign a weight to each product based on its shipping cost. In this example, we'll cover 3 different product categories: t-shirts, posters, and calendars. Remember, some product types have similar shipping rates, so you can group them together when setting up your shipping options. For instance, canvas and framed posters can all share the same rate for the first item shipped. You don't need to separate them by individual product type. In your shipping template, the settings should already be set to weight-based by default. Now we'll create 3 different weight ranges, 1 for each product category. Be sure to check Gelato's shipping page for rates that apply to your specific region, which you can find linked in the description below. To add a new weight range, click the Plus New Rule button. We'll create 3 price conditions for the products we're adding. For t-shirts, we'll set a flat rate of £3.42 with a weight range of 0 to 0.1 kilo. For posters, we'll set a flat rate of £3.72 with a weight range of 0.1 to 0.2 kilos. And finally, for calendars, we'll set a flat rate of £4.82 with a weight range of 0.2 to 0.3 kilos. You'll also need to add a placeholder weight range for the remaining weight profiles left within the 30 kilo limit, which is a requirement from TikTok Shop. Once you've added these ranges, click Submit to save your changes. After you've created your shipping templates, you'll need to adjust the product weight settings when you add products to your store. If you don't have any products added, come back to this step when you've completed steps 3, 4, and 5. To do this, head over to the TikTok Shop menu, click on Products, and then edit any product you've added. Scroll down to the shipping section and set the product weight in kilograms. Use the highest weight number from your template ranges. For example, for t-shirts, set the weight to 0.1 kilo. For posters, set it to 0.2 kilos. For calendars, set the weight to 0.3 kilos. Once you've set the weight, go to the Delivery Options section, select Custom, and make sure to check the Shipped from Seller option. You'll need to do this for each product to ensure that the correct shipping rates are applied when customers place their orders. Finally, click Update to save all changes and you're good to go. Step 3. Connect Gelato to your TikTok shop. Now that your warehouse and shipping are set up, it's time to connect Gelato to your TikTok shop. Head back to your Gelato dashboard, click on Stores, and scroll down until you see TikTok Shop. Select the TikTok Shop icon and then select the UK region. You'll then be redirected to your TikTok Shop account, where you can follow the prompts to authorize the connection between TikTok and Gelato. Once you authorize the connection, Gelato will be linked to your TikTok shop and you can start syncing products from Gelato's catalog. Step 4. Add products to your TikTok shop. Now, for the exciting part, choosing what products to sell. Gelato has curated a selection of products that are perfect for fast fulfillment, and we are confident they can be fulfilled with TikTok service level agreements for shipping. This ensures that your customers get their orders quickly, keeping them happy and reducing the risk of your store getting penalized by TikTok for delivery times not meeting TikTok's SLAs. Browse through the Gelato catalog, where you can see which are available for TikTok. Then choose your product and start customizing. Use Gelato's intuitive design editor to add your own designs or choose from our range of clip art and customizable patterns. Once you're happy with your design, click Continue. On the next page, you'll be able to select mock-up styles to display your products on TikTok. Gelato offers a wide range of realistic mock-up scenes. You can select your main product image as well as the mock-up style for your variations. Once you've selected your mock-ups, move to the next page to enter the product title and description. Once you've filled in the product details, click Continue to move on to pricing. On the pricing page, you'll see the product cost, shipping costs, and the estimated profit based on your pricing. You can adjust your profit margin based on how much you want to earn per sale. Use the controls provided to increase or decrease your price as needed. Once you've set the price, click Continue to Review in the top right corner. Double-check everything looks okay, then go ahead and publish. Please note that it might take some time for your product and product variant images to appear on your TikTok shop and in the Gelato dashboard. You can see the status of your product in your store page within the dashboard. Now head over to your TikTok shop where you'll see your new product listing. Double-check your product descriptions, set your pricing, and ensure that your shipping template is correctly selected. When you're satisfied, hit Activate. Congratulations, your products are now live on TikTok Shop. Step 5, set up billing and payments. When a customer places an order on TikTok, Gelato will handle the fulfillment and you'll get paid directly through TikTok. Keep in mind that TikTok Shop charges seller fees, which is a commission fee calculated on your order. You can find a link to current seller fees in the description below. To ensure that your orders are processed smoothly, go to your Gelato dashboard and set up your billing method under Billing Settings. Add your payment method so that when a customer places an order, you can cover the cost of fulfillment immediately. In your TikTok Shop dashboard, don't forget to set up your payout method under Account Settings to receive payments directly to your bank account. Just go to Bank Accounts and fill out your details. That's it. You're now ready to sell your products on TikTok using Gelato's print-on-demand integration. With our TikTok-ready catalog, fast fulfillment, and seamless integration, reaching TikTok's massive audience has never been easier. Make sure to regularly add new designs and keep your store active to stay ahead of the competition. Thanks for watching. You can find links to more resources in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and updates on growing your print-on-demand business with Gelato.